People say Toyota hybrid batteries die at 100,000 km and cost more than the car to replace. Sounds scary, right? It's also completely wrong. I am dissecting the reality of what happens to Toyota hybrid batteries in real life, not on the internet horror stories. Fear sets in as the time the person hears hybrid battery. Sudden failure, massive bills, the value of a car disappears during a night. But here's the truth. The Toyota hybrids are characterized by longer lifespan, low operational expenses, and utmost reliability. Had the myth on the battery been true, the Toyota image would have failed many years ago. And there's a reason for that. The concept that Toyota hybrid batteries fail at 100,000 kilometers dates back to the early 20s, the time the hybrids were untested and poorly understood. The assumption made by people was that the batteries could be replaced just like the phone batteries. Real life experience indicates that there are numerous Toyota hybrids with over 200,000 to 300,000 and 500,000 kilometers on the clock on the original battery. Taxis, rideshare cars, fleet vehicles, the most abused vehicle on the road. Unless hybrid batteries were delicate, it would be the first time to fail in these cars. Instead, they keep going. This is a secret no one can explain adequately. Toyota never takes the battery to its extreme. It's never fully charged, never fully drained. It is held in a secure intermediate state by the system of the system, lowering heat, stress and wear. The design alone increases battery life by a great margin. To add to that, the battery is monitored all the time. Temperature, load and charge are controlled by software hundreds of times per second. Even the performance degradations when it gets cold are not damaged. The system is out of defense. This battery leads a life of ease. And here's the biggest proof. In a lot of countries, Toyota supports these batteries using a 10 years factory warranty. Think about that. No company comes with the 10-year warranty of the product they know will break down sooner. Behind the promise are Toyota with 20 years of real-life hybrid experience, millions of cars and billions of kilometers. Now we can speak about money as here the fear is the greatest. It is likely that you have heard the price of replacing a hybrid battery to be around 15,000 US dollars or 20,000 US dollars. That is antiquated and far-fetched. Nowadays, the cost of the replacement is in the real world about 3,500 US dollars to 5,000 US dollars, and the replacement is not always necessary. The system is also modular, a number of problems can be fixed, not changed, and this is never experienced by the majority of owners. This is usually offset over time in fuel savings, less wear on the brakes, and less stress on the engine. So let's be clear. Toyota hybrid batteries don't die at 100,000 kilometers. Don't cost the value of the car. Are not ticking time bombs. They were well managed, proven and over-engineered. Battery fear has even paralyzed you into considering a Toyota hybrid. You now know the truth. Subscribe, like and I will see you in the next one.